This training unit looks at the AMW 10 multi-tool from Bosch. The AMW 10 multi-tool can complete a multitude of tasks in the garden using its interchangeable attachments. The attachments can be changed by unscrewing the knob and pushing the buttons without the need for additional tools. The high-performance heavy-duty trimmer attachment, AMW RT, has 3.5 mm thick cutting sticks which are suitable for even the toughest of jobs. The cutting sticks are changed with a sideways turn and simple insertion. The hedge cutter attachment, AMW HS, has a blade length of 430 mm, tooth spacing of 15 mm, and 180-degree angle adjustment, which is sufficient for most work on tall hedges and medium-sized branches. The pole pruner attachment, AMW SG, provides a cut length of 26 cm at a maximum speed of 12 meters per second. The automatic lubrication ensures that the pole pruner is always properly supplied with chainsaw oil. The oil can be easily refilled. The extension pole attachment, AMW TS, gives added height to the pole pruner and hedge cutter. The leaf blower attachment, AMW LB, has an airspeed of 220 km per hour to enable easy, effective blowing of leaves and garden debris in autumn. The AMW FS brush cutter attachment, with its 3-wing blade and cutting diameter of 26 cm, provides a reliable cut in overgrown areas and dense scrub. Now have fun with the AMW 10 multi-tool from Bosch.